A heartfelt thank you to all of my subscribers who have subscribed up till now. The past couple of months, it started to take off. And I hope that I've been giving content that is helpful, whether you learn from my mistakes or you learn from my achievements with my journey with CCCA. My birthday is coming up May 30, and that's about 6 weeks away. And I decided to try to challenge myself to grow my channel to 500 subscribers by May 30. So if this is your first time watching, or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and give me a birthday present for my efforts, and I'll try to continue to provide content that's valuable for you guys. So my challenge, my goal, is to have 500 subscribers by May 30. Can we do it? So far today, I think I have 212 subscribers, and so I think it's doable. So I'm going to keep on putting out more content that I hope is helpful between now and then on a regular basis, at least twice a week. And hopefully by my birthday, we'll have reached 500 subscribers. I've had this channel for 7 years, so it's been a long time coming, but I'm really making an effort this year to reach my goals. So thank you so much, guys, for your support. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you. So guys, last night I was laying in bed and my head started itching again, and I tried to ignore it, but I just kept scratching and scratching and scratching some more. So today, after looking up anti-inflammatory ideas last night to treat my scalp, I am doing a anti-inflammatory treatment using garlic oil. And I'm also adding some of the garlic water that my minced garlic is sitting in. Garlic oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm inflamed scalp and prevent itchiness caused by dandruff, as well as seborrheic dermatitis and contact dermatitis. It contains compounds like allicin that support a healthier inflammatory response and can reduce scalp stress and chronic irritation. You can massage your scalp with garlic oil to reap these benefits. So I happen to have some garlic oil, of course, at my house from before, when I was obsessed with putting oils on my scalp, but now I'm using oils as a scalp treatment instead, and a hair treatment, instead of using it to sit on my scalp where it can clog my follicles and promote malassezia, yeast, and itching. I'm also adding some honey to help condition my hair and add some softness. Turmeric is something that I've been taking almost daily as a supplement for a while now. It has wonderful anti-inflammatory properties internally, and I looked up what it can do for the scalp externally and found out that it's great to use on the scalp. Turmeric even has anti-neoplastic properties, which means anti-cancer. It also boosts collagen production, which strengthens the hair follicles and fights oxidative stress. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. Turmeric can help reduce hair loss and alleviate scalp irritation. You can make a turmeric hair mask or use turmeric-infused shampoo and conditioner. Curcumin may reduce testosterone and DHT levels linked to male pattern baldness. It's great to use for a hair growth boost, and you can use it as often as needed. I plan to start using it twice a week. I'm doing everything I can to get this itching under control. Just look at that beautiful golden color. I'm going to put it in my little applicator bottle to make it easier to apply. Just an added note, if you're taking turmeric orally, it's important not to pair it with medications that are known to slow blood clotting, such as aspirin and ibuprofen. Turmeric naturally may slow down blood clotting, so combining it with these medications can cause internal bruising and bleeding. So make sure that it works with medications you're taking by talking to your doctor first before you take it internally. I decided to add a little bit more garlic oil to make sure that I have proper coverage for my entire scalp. It's time to go ahead and add it to my scalp, massage it in, and do a conditioning treatment with some heat to help it penetrate as well as possible. The pictures and videos from a couple weeks ago seem to show a little bit more coverage in the crown area. I feel like I'm slipping back a little bit as itching has continued, and it looks like the middle of my hair is a little thinner than it was a couple weeks ago. And I do not want to go backwards, so I'm doing everything I can to help my hair to hang on, including using Rogaine foam once a day. I wash my hair about 3 times a week to keep the itching at bay. And I don't use oil on my scalp, but I spray with very light oils and use very light creams on the surface, trying to keep my moisturizers and leave-ins away from my scalp, which can be challenging because my hair is so short. But I don't want my hair to feel and be dry. This is why I decided to add honey to this mix, to add a little bit more moisture to my dry hair.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh.